Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the oil change light on your Infiniti QX80. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is in the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, use the controls on your steering wheel to navigate through the vehicle's information display. You'll want to find the maintenance menu, which is typically located within the main settings. This initial step is crucial for access. Once you've reached the maintenance menu, select it and then choose engine oil from the available sub-options. The display will then show you the current oil life or the remaining mileage until your next scheduled service. This is where you'll confirm your intention to reset the oil change reminder. It's a straightforward process, ensuring you're in the correct section before proceeding to the final step. Chlorine test strips provide a fast and simple way to get an approximate chlorine reading. You just dip a strip into your water sample for a few seconds, then remove it and wait for the color to develop. The strip's pad will change color based on the chlorine concentration. By comparing this color to the chart on the test strip bottle, you can quickly estimate the chlorine level. While very convenient, they typically offer less precision than other methods. After completing the reset, start your Infiniti QX80 engine to verify that the oil change light is no longer illuminated. It's important to remember that resetting the light should always follow an actual oil and filter change, not precede it. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for any specific instructions or variations that might apply to your particular model year. This ensures proper maintenance and vehicle longevity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.